Welcome back, everybody. It's Jeff again with J&K Stay in Vegas with your October 2024 Las Vegas news. We're almost up to 30,000 subscribers, so we invite you to smash that subscribe button and be part of our YouTube friends and family. All right, first up, with Bally's Corporation's last Las Vegas property, the Tropicana, set to be demolished, the company has partnered with the Palms to provide a new destination for Bally Rewards members. This allows members to earn and redeem loyalty points at the Palms, along with Bally's 16 other locations across the country. This allows members to earn and redeem loyalty points at the Palms, along with Bally's 16 other locations across the country. Well, we finally know what will replace Holstein's at Cosmo, modern Mexican restaurant Amaya. The new restaurant, opening in January 2025, will offer modern Mexican cuisine crafted by Michelin star chef Jason McLeod, featuring dishes like a 2-pound lobster with chili cream sauce and bria short rib. Initially named Mariposa Rosa for permitting, it promises bold flavors inspired by Tulum's vibrant energy. Signature dishes include lobster enchiladas and an impressive fajita board. Check it out in January 2025 at the Cosmo. Harry Reid International Airport is planning major updates to boost efficiency and handle increasing passenger traffic. The airport will add 26 new gates, replacing the older circular clusters at the end of the long concourses with a new pier design layout to streamline operations. With passenger numbers reaching 57.6 million last year, up 9.4% from 2022, the changes come at a critical time as the airport ranks among the top 10 busiest in the nation. In addition to improvements for airplanes, the airport aims to address vehicle traffic flow. A new plan will introduce 2 flyover ramps to ease congestion along Paradise Road and University Center Drive. Currently, drivers must navigate confusing routes and stoplights, especially when moving from Terminal 3 to Terminal 1. The proposed ramps will offer more direct routes, with one ramp heading straight to Terminal 1 and another guiding drivers to the airport connector for a smoother exit from the airport. As fall is upon us, we really wouldn't know with our weather these days. But anyway, don't miss the Garden of Time, the latest seasonal display at the Bellagio Conservatory. This breathtaking installation features a whimsical forest with a fairy treehouse, a towering 27-foot tree, spectral pumpkins, and more. Remember, it's 24/7 and it's free. This runs until November 9th before preparations for the Christmas display begins. If you want to check out what this Bellagio Conservatory display looks like, check out the Walk with Jeff episode on our channel. Will Brightline and the current administration has finalized a $3 billion deal to fund the high-speed rail line connecting Southern California and Las Vegas. Construction started in April, with the project expected to be completed by 2028, ahead of the Los Angeles Olympics. This winter, Planet Hollywood Resort will welcome Caramella, an Italian restaurant and lounge by Caesars Entertainment and Tao Group Hospitality. The menu, created by Chef Ralph Scarmadella, will feature modern twists on Italian classics, indulgent pastas, and prime Tuscan-style steaks. Inspired by 1970s Italy, Caramella will offer views of the Strip, include an adjacent candy shop as well. It will be located on the mezzanine level next to the Chris Angel Theater in the former Koi restaurant space. Well, a popular Los Angeles spot has made its way to Las Vegas, and if you're into oversized portions, Fat Sal's Deli is the place for you. We were thinking it could be a healthier option than Heart Attack Grill, since it's a deli and doesn't contain the word heart attack in the name. Their new location is now open inside Neonopolis in downtown. The menu features deli classics plus hamburgers, fat fries, and the signature fat sandwiches. Still though, no heart attacks listed. Fat Sal's is also coming to the brand new Miracle Eats in the Miracle Mile shops this winter 2024. Another barbecue restaurant has come to Vegas, but not just any barbecue. Retired Las Vegas native and Super Bowl champ Brandon Marshall has brought Hattie Murray's Texas-style barbecue and Cajun chicken to town. The menu is loaded with barbecue favorites like brisket, pulled pork, ribs, and the giant Dino beef rib, plus southern staples like fried catfish, gumbo, and mac and cheese. Don't miss out on the seafood platter, and definitely save room for banana pudding or peach cobbler. If you're familiar with the Las Vegas South outlets, it's in the same parking lot. If you want to check out a Walk with Jeff, I did one of those at that Las Vegas South outlet. Check it out on our channel. La Popular has just closed unexpectedly at the Palms. The Pan-Mexican restaurant at the Palms that just opened 16 months ago has closed its doors. Despite its efforts to boost business by extending happy hour to late night, sadly, it seems the restaurant couldn't make it even with those changes. No word yet on what's replacing it. The Peppermill Restaurant and Fireside Lounge in Las Vegas recently completed a $1.8 million renovation, featuring updates like a refreshed rooftop LED sign, new carpeting identical to the original, and revamped red lounge booths, while focusing heavily on the behind-the-scenes maintenance. A local favorite since 1972 and famous for its appearance dances and iconic films, the Peppermill earned a 2024 James Beard Award in the America's Classics category, recognizing its enduring influence and unique character. Mark Wahlberg has launched Flecha Cantina, a Mexican-inspired restaurant offering a creative fusion of traditional flavors with modern twists. Located at Town Square just off the Strip, this is the second Flecha location, following the first in Huntington Beach, California. The restaurant's name ties Wahlberg's Flecha Azul Tequila Blanco, which he also serves when bartending at Circa on Fremont. So far, the reviews have been great, with guests loving the food. Well, we've been talking about the renovations going on at the El Cortez for a while now. It's undergoing a $20 million renovation set to be completed by early next year. The project includes expanding the casino floor by 10,000 square feet, adding a high-limit lounge, 2 new bars, a restaurant, and a Starbucks. The design aims to modernize while preserving the vintage charm of this historic property. Recent updates follow the $30 million renovation of its original 47 rooms and other areas. Stay tuned to J&K for all the latest updates on El Cortez. Hey, just a quick reminder, everybody, if you're enjoying this content and all the benefits you get from all the news happening in Las Vegas, please give us a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Both those actions are free and really does help out the channel. Yellowstone television hit creator Taylor Sheridan has opened a pop-up steakhouse at the Wynn, operating within Tableau, which now serves dinner from 5:30 to 10 p.m. The menu features high-end 6666 Angus beef cuts like strips, skirts, fillets, and larger options such as an 18-ounce ribeye, 26-ounce cowboy, 40-ounce porterhouse, and a 48-ounce tomahawk. Someone's going to have the meat sweats. Prices aren't listed, but expect a premium experience along with premium prices. As we know, come winter, the Cosmopolitan has always turned its boulevard pool into an ice rink, but now the Venetian is offering its own twist, roller skating. Starting November 17th, Flipper's Roller Boogie Palace, known for its celebrity-filled rink in LA and Rockefeller Center takeover, will transform Tao's Day Club. 2 pools open Thursdays through Sundays, noon to 8 p.m. Sessions cost $20 an hour or $75 for the day, and you can either bring your own skates or rent them. Skaters of all ages are welcome. The rink is expected to run through early December. Well, the walkway from the Versailles Tower to Paris has finally opened. If you caught our YouTube update last week, I did a full walkthrough of the new Paris walkway that links the main casino to the new Versailles Tower. Don't miss that video. It also covers F1 updates and other happenings on the Strip. I also did a Versailles Tower room review a few months ago. Check out both of those videos on our channel. Well, it's back. If you've been catching our videos, you know that F1 crews have already removed the potted trees in front of the Bellagio to make space for the new Fountain Club grandstands, with the trees being replaced by New Year's Eve. Pedestrian access between Flamingo and Bellagio will be restricted, with Formula One taking place November 21st through the 23rd. F1 is also expanding its Las Vegas Grand Prix this year with 2 additional support races, the Ferrari Challenge on Friday and Saturday nights. This aims to increase excitement and ensure a smoother run after last year's manhole cover issue. All 60,000 fan festival tickets have been claimed, and in true Vegas style, F1 will add an ice rink, as we told you about, on the paddock building roof to enhance the entertainment experience. The 2,600 square foot Las Vegas skate circuit will be open to the Paddock Club guests throughout race weekend, offering a chalet for skate rentals and F1 team branded skating aids for beginners. Well, in response to last year's F1 and being the very high cost to attend F1, Derek Stevens and a few of the other casino operators in downtown Las Vegas have created the Neon City Festival, which we told you about in a couple earlier broadcasts of J&K Stay in Vegas. The Neon City Festival will be a free event running from November 22nd through the 24th. It will take over downtown Las Vegas with live music, food, art, and entertainment spanning from the Fremont Street Experience all the way to the Strat. This is an all-ages festival featuring headlining acts like Neon Trees, 7 Lions, along with pop-up performances, laser shows, and a fireworks display. Attendees can also enjoy food and drink specials from local vendors throughout the weekend. This first-of-its-kind festival promises to transform the city into a vibrant open-air playground to play against the very expensive F1 on the Las Vegas Strip. The Clark County Zoning Commission finally approved the $125 million mixed-use project on the 10 acres south of Fontainebleau. The development features 2 600-foot towers with 750 hotel rooms, 425 condos, and a 3,300-seat theater, but no casino. However, it does have a 440 140-foot thrill ride planned, though details remain scarce. We'll just see how and if this all works out. Whatever you go for, go all out is the slogan for a new campaign from R&R Partners and the Las Vegas Convention and Visitors Authority. The emphasis is on whatever, showcased by the vibrant mix of characters and costumes in the 60-second spot. The catchy soundtrack comes from the song Too Old to Dream by former punk rocker and current country crooner Nick Shoulders. Blockheads unite! New Kids on the Block are coming to Las Vegas with their first Vegas residency to coincide with their Right Stuff tour at MGM Dolby Live next year starting in June, with the last shows running until November 2025, and they've just added 8 more dates within that time period. Tickets go on the sale next Friday, October 4th at 10 a.m. Pacific. I wonder if Donnie will be including his back rubs on the couch. If you didn't know, you know. A little tidbit inside baseball, Jeff used to be Donnie Wahlberg's DJ when he did a little solo tour. Here's a couple of pictures from way back when. Country music legend Garth Brooks is currently in the middle of his extended residency at the Coliseum at Caesars Palace, but he has just added 9 more dates to wrap up his Vegas performances. These final shows will take place in February and March of 2025. Tickets are on sale now. Weird Al Yankovic is launching his 60-show Bigger and Weirder tour, with the first 5 shows taking place at the Venetian Theater next June. The tour will feature a high-energy multimedia performance packed with his most popular parodies and some lesser-known favorites, now with a bigger band to elevate the experience. Ticket information will be available through Ticketmaster. Well, you know, Jeff has been documenting the Tropicana demolition since the day it closed. Well, now we've got some more details on that implosion. At 2:30 a.m. on October 9th, the 2 iconic Tropicana hotel towers that have graced the Las Vegas Strip for decades will come down. The 23-story towers, covering a total of 917,400 square feet, will be reduced to rubble in just 22 seconds as controlled demolition crews ignite 2,190 pounds of explosives. The Tropicana will be honored with a final celebration featuring a drone show and a fireworks display. Whether October in Las Vegas is the best time to visit Las Vegas. We tell you about that all the time. Although right now we're going through one heck of a heat spell, Vegas weather is just trying to hold on to that summer heat. But typically, October weather is just gorgeous, with highs ranging in the mid-80s and lows in the 40s and 50s. So come to Vegas in October, you will not be disappointed. Now here's what's happening with concerts, comedians, and shows happening here in Las Vegas for October 2024. Well, you are now up to date on everything happening in Las Vegas for October 2024. If you found this video useful, please hit that thumbs up and subscribe to J&K Stay in Vegas. Take it one step further, turn on all those bell notifications that alert you to every time we post a new video just like this or when we go live. Until the next one, stay safe and stay silly. Bye-bye, everybody.